Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today I am going to be trying out the new Rimmel Wonderfully Real Mascara. I randomly saw this in CVS and they had a special where if you buy 2 Rimmel products then you get like $5 back in extra care bucks. So I was like, let's try this. I'm not really a fan of Rimmel mascaras, so I didn't really have high hopes for this, but we'll see how it is. It says fuller, longer, luscious lashes, length with keratin. This was $7.99, I believe. So let's do this. My thoughts on this mascara, really the only thing wrong, and obviously it's major, is the formula. So packaging is super cute. I really like the wand. I like how the bristles like taper towards the end. See how there's like longer bristles here and then they get shorter. I really like that because it's, I don't know, you're just able to grab all the lashes, but the formula sucks. It's super wet and it makes my lashes just fall flat. Like you can't even I feel like if the formula was just a little bit drier, this would be an amazing mascara. But like I said, it's super wet, super messy, it gets really clumpy and it weighs down your lashes. And I like literally my lashes are just sticking, they're looking right at you. And yeah, look at that. Ugh. These are super weighed down. They're like, what are you doing? You're dragging us down. Yeah, it's gonna have to be a fail for me because formula is super important, obviously. Again, like I said at the beginning of this video, I haven't found a mascara from Rimmel that I really like, which is a bummer because they make one of my all-time favorite face products ever, the Stay Matte powder. I love that stuff. But yeah, mascaras haven't found one. That's it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there's a certain mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.